Hi, welcome back to my garden. So I'm doing a series today where I'm getting multiple jobs in the garden done, and this is part 2 of my multi-part project. Today we're getting our Supertunia mini vista scarlet in ground. I told you guys already, I'm anxiously waiting for my begonias from Proven Winners to come in the mail so I can get them planted with it so we can get yellow and red. And I need mulch. But first, once the leaves are done falling, I know you guys are going to get tired of hearing me talk about these leaves because I'm so over them. But once they're done falling, guys, I can't, just picturing it right now, I'm so excited. But begonias and my supertunias, that's what we are going to be working on today. We're going to vision the begonias in there because they're not here yet. They're not. We're waiting for Proven Winners to send them, so I pre-ordered them. I believe they're going to get here late March, early April. Maybe they may get them early and send it to me early, who knows. So we'll be patient and wait for that to happen. It's going to feel like Christmas. I'm going to be anxiously waiting for the Amazon truck, or not Amazon, whoever Proven Winners are going to be shipping them with. I'm going to be anxiously waiting for it. It's going to be like, oh. So I'm excited for that. And initially I was going to put the paper down and suppress the grass and weeds from coming in. But what I'm going to do, instead of doing that, oh, it's windy. We got a lot of wind coming, y'all. Sorry. So if you're hearing the wind, I'm so sorry about that. But instead of putting the paper down, then putting the compost and mulch on top, I'm just going to plant them in the ground because honestly, I was waiting for that. But I'm like, no, I'm just going to get them in ground. Then when it's time for me to do my mulch, I'll put the paper down and then put the mulch on top of it. Because right now, it's just going to take too much time, and yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do today. That's not going to get done today. So let's go get our scarlet planted. Come on, let's go. So we're going to start with the ones down here. And these are the Supertunia. Let me bring it closer to you so you can see it. Supertunia mini vista scarlet. Here go the plant tag. It grows 6 to 12 inches, full to part sun. And same as before, it is hardy. And it's actually a perennial in zones 10 and 11. I'm in zone 9. So, but I do hope each year I get warm enough to have them come back. So it doesn't come back if it's below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. We do get below 30 degrees. So let's get my little mat. Got my bulb tone. And off we go on the merry, merry way. La, 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 la. We are planting the garden. Oh, look at daffodils coming up. Hey, daffodils. Oh, where's my gloves? I need to dig my hand in this hole to get these leaves out. A lot of leaves. Where's my glove? Oh, there it is. So after this, I think I have 4 more projects to do. I wanted to get them done today, but I spent so much time inside, I may not get them done today. We'll see where we are before the sun goes down. So get some bulb tone in. Get the leaves out. There's a lot of leaves falling from the tree, guys. So there's a whole bunch of leaves in here. In we go, and then we backfill it. There's actually some compost over here already. Did I put some over here? I'll grab some. which I'm backfilling with my sandy soil. And then I'm going to top dress it with some compost. And then I gotta do the same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more times. No, 7 more times because I have 8 total. Get the leaves out. Yes, I have pre-dug holes. That's been dug for like 4 weeks now. They've been dug for a while. And I'll leave some in there. Organic matter. Biotone. And we tease the root a bit and get it in. And then we backfill it with the natural soil, natural sand. Come on, sandy soil, get in there. And I top dress it with some compost. And this bag of compost was left outside. Hate working with wet compost, it's all clumpy. And we do the same thing 6 more times. Got 1, 2 done already. And for the last one, so this is all the leaves that's in there. So this is why I'm taking the leaves out, because there's literally no dirt. But I don't want to stick my hand in there because of bugs and stuff. And of course, there's some leaf that's left back. It will break down into organic matter. That's fine. Oop. So like about that much, that's fine. And this is the last hole, and I've been fortunate not to find any snakes in there. That's what I've been worried about with snakes. Worms I can deal with. And just get the leaves. See all the leaves in there that fell off the tree? So just get the excess leaf out. And tease the root a bit. Get it in. And then backfill it. Then top dress it with some compost. Okay, so we are done with our Supertunia Mini Vista Scarlet. And I told you before that in between these mini vistas, I'm going to have my yellow begonia. So stay tuned for that. I should be getting it next month. Once I get it, we'll be back in the garden. And after I have planted them all, I noticed that these two right here are a bit close together. And then I remembered why, and it's because I have some daffodils over here. So I'm going to wait until the daffodils either bloom or fail. And then when I get my begonia, I'm going to take it from here and move it over probably where the daffodils are or right next to it. We'll see. I'm not going to bother with it right now. Like I said, once I get a begonia, I'll reevaluate it at that time. But I know it does need to be adjusted. So that was the only one that needs to be pushed down a bit. Because see, very short space. And it will just be from here and you go over there. And what I'm going to do is, if you're watching this video right now, it's almost the end of February. So if you're watching this video right now, you won't be able to see what it looks like in full bloom. But what I'll do, if you're watching this video in the future and you happen to discover it a lot later, what I'm going to do in the description below, I will link an updated video of what these look like. So you can watch that video next to see how they turned out, what it looks like after it's in full bloom and everything comes together. So I'm going to come back and edit the video, and like I said, leave the full video in there. Also, you may be lucky enough, and I'll probably edit this video as well as the new video together to make it one long video of from like plant to bloom, so you can see what it looks like. I am so happy with the way the Supertunia Mini Vista Scarlet came out. They are beautiful. They're putting on so many flowers, so I'm so excited. I can't wait for it to be full bloom and then have the yellow to go with it. But super excited, guys. And what I was saying is, once I have planted the begonias and I have everything in full bloom, I'm going to come back and edit this video and put in the description a link to the new video, a link to the new video, so you can see what it looks like in full bloom. I'm also going to do another video pretty much showing it from planting to the end, so you can have an idea what it looks like. Because I know a lot of times people say they watch it, oh, I wish you had included what the plant looked like once it's in full bloom. So I'll come back and edit this video. So if you're watching this video in the very far future and you're wishing that, click on the link in the description below for more videos. And you can even visit my 2024 playlist. It has all the plants that I've planted and everything from the very, very beginning of the year till whatever time, till the end of 2024, hopefully. But I'll definitely come back and give you guys an update. But I also do monthly updates, weekly updates on some plants, so it depends on what progress we have. You can subscribe to my channel and see more videos and see what the plant look like at a certain time. So hopefully that was able to help you guys, and thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Happy gardening. Bye.